Howdy dooders! So, it's Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday. I'm watching Evan Almighty. Yes, I love this movie. So I almost forgot it was Saturday, and good thing Kendra messaged me telling me it was Saturday. So I know this video is gonna be all lame or whatever, but it's not my fault. Probably is, but whatever. We love it, we enjoy it. Okay, well, hey y'all, I don't know, I'm bored. Get over it. I don't know, dude, stop.
You can't tell anybody you're dark. And you can't mess with free will.
Camp Rock was awesome. It was awesome, possum, awesome, tossum, everything of above. Yeah, nothing new. I went swimming yesterday. That was the highlight. Whatever. Today I was just lounging it. I watched the Power Rangers. Okay. I am a Power Ranger fan. Power Rangers rock. Rock. Yeah. Power Rangers. Okay, that's all. I'm bored. Sorry. Wasting your time watching it. Just kidding. Okay, bye. Peace. Hello, y'all. It's really dark. I know. It's like 8 o'clock right now, and my room is dark, and my hair is messed up. Okay. So, let's get the challenges on the road. Okay. So I have here with me Nick Jonas, aka Alice, Kevin Jonas, Kendra, and Joe. Go. Put them in the bag. Put them in the bag. Randomly selecting one, and it will be fun. Randomly selecting one to have some fun. Jam, jam, jam. Do 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 do. Mango. Mango. You're the challenge winner, I guess. Whatever. So your challenge, Mango, will be to talk in a British accent and like wear like circle glasses like Harry Potter, because you know I just looked at him right now and I thought of it. So yeah, there he is right there. You're gonna have to dress up like him your whole video. Sexy.